River Kwai. We're in what is called a James Bond boat because the movie 40 years ago had Bond in one of these boats going up this river. And you can see behind us, Christopher, they're waving. The James Bond boat. James Bond on the River Kwai! Ah! And we are approaching the bridge on the River Kwai. So let me stop and take a video of that. Here we are approaching the bridge. This is the famous bridge that was, I guess this is the bridge that was blown up. So we're gonna get out over on the side, get a chance to walk across the bridge, and then the railway is somewhere nearby, and we will get on the railway and take a 90-minute trip to lunch. And then when we're done with lunch, we'll get back in our air-conditioned van and go all the way back to Bangkok. Wow, it's a long day. We started at a little after 6 in the morning, but this is kind of cool. Bridge on the River Kwai.